right, y'all. Happy New Year. It's your boy Corey here. We gotta talk about the best beard care regimen for 2025. And I can't say it without introducing some of y'all to Scotch Porter, which I've been using for close to 5+ years. An amazing beard company that I had begun using when they first were starting off with just their beard care products. They've evolved as a company and a brand to do everything from grooming to candles to even fragrances. So let's get right into it. Real men get it done. All right, first things first, let's have a conversation, bros, because I get a lot of questions about beard. How do you get it to be how it is? I can never grow my beard like that. Again, some of it does have to do with genes, your makeup, but you can help along that process. So I want to talk about just a few things that I always encourage men to do to make sure they're maintaining a good, healthy set of hair on their beard. And the first thing is that you cannot, men, wash your beard just as you do with the rest of your body. And what I mean by that, a lot of times men will use the body washes that will be for the head and for the body and just jump in, wash the same way, come out, and then wonder why their beard may be not growing or is very brittle. All of that body wash, those harsh chemicals, strip everything from your beard. And that's why your beard gets brittle. That's why it gets itchy. That's why it gets dry. So the first thing to help with that is to make sure you are separating your head from the rest of your body. And you do that by, one, washing your beard in cool water, lukewarm water, not steamy hot water, and you have to have a good product to put inside of it. So that's where we're going to start off with Scotch Porter by using the beard wash and conditioner. So mine have been through the ringer because I actually have them in the shower, in the gym, but my beard wash and my beard conditioner that I use this once a week to do a deep wash of my beard. But I do rinse my beard daily. Scotch Porter has a face wash, so I do, and a face scrub. So I have the opportunity to use it at least every day to just like generally wash my head and wash my beard. But I do a full deep wash once a week. So that's leaving the product in for 2 to 3 minutes with the wash and the conditioner and then letting it dry out. But like I said, daily, I'm still actually washing it with a facial scrub. So that's the first regimen, completing, making sure that your beard and that your body is completely separate. Then next it goes to the products that you are actually using. So as I mentioned, I've been rocking with Scotch Porter for a minute. That's how my beard has been able to be the way it is. So using products is very important. And sometimes people are confused with like, what all should I use? There can be a lot. There are different serums, washes, conditioners, leave-in conditioners, you name it. There are a couple of things that I definitely recommend. Scotch Porter, they have an amazing beard mask, and all it is just a mask you can put on your beard that has their conditioner. So the same conditioner that I mentioned, the leave-in conditioner, the mask, all it does is actually just help seal all of the conditioner in, and you can have it on for, how many times? About 20 minutes. So it's just using the conditioner, letting the mask actually do its thing for your beard, and then rinsing it off. So it's just a little bit more of a very deep conditioner and a line for the beard to really let all of that conditioner penetrate. So I really encourage bros to do that if you do have a brittle beard. If you can't get a hold of the full kit that has a mask, because I have several of these, I'm not even sure if they have them, where they have them at. It maybe just be on the website, but if you don't, the conditioner itself, leaving it on, and possibly if you have maybe some type of mask that you can make, or just something to put a bandana or something that you can put on it to make sure it seeps itself in, can be very helpful. So that is one thing I definitely recommend to help you with your game. And then on to the actual products that you should be using daily. Which for me, typically the products I use daily is the serum, and then I do use the beard conditioner spray, and I actually do also use the beard balm that they have. So that kind of helps you, as your beard starts to grow, keep it formed how you want it to be formed. coming fresh from the barbershop today, so that helps as well. But even when I'm not coming from the barbershop, this helps the beard stay formed, and I love it. It's a little bit thicker. Obviously, the serum is going to be more of like an oily substance that you put, and then the beard spray is even thinner than the serum, obviously. But it all just helps. It helps to keep it conditioned every day. And then I like to have a little bit of oil for that shine, and then the serum, which helps just kind of keep the shape. So those are my ultimate 3 go-tos: the spray, the serum, and also the actual balm that they have, Scotch Porter's balm. And that's really it in terms of just the beard care and using that every day. And if you do that as your beard starts to grow, especially in those beginning stages, it'll help cut down on it being so brittle and so dry, because fellas usually want to scratch the beard because it starts to get really dry as they're growing it out, and it's uncomfortable. But if you start these routines early and often, it'll help cut down on a lot of that and get you to endure as you get your beard to grow into where you want it to be. So that's all I got for now, y'all. Just some tips and tricks as we roll into 2025. I'll be coming to bring more content. Things are always evolving. The channel is growing, content is growing, my businesses are growing. So just always trying to come and impact the community and let the brothers know what's going on. So till next time, real men get it done. Peace and blessings.